Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your account or close your Robinhood account. And basically, make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. And first, you will need to know that there are many types of accounts. So the steps would have a little difference depends on your account type. So either you have an individual account, joint account, or an IRA one. So basically, all you need to do to close your account or delete it is to make sure that you have a zero balance and that you sold all your position and that you have no other future incomes, etc. That means you will need to close your individual investment account and close all your position and confirm that you have no pending deposits and the other things like the dividends, sweep, cash sweep payments, etc. And after that, you make sure that you have everything that is set up. All you need to do is just to go to your account. So here you will, in the web app, you will have some similarities with your mobile app. So basically, if you go to the account in the mobile app, you will have the settings that will be in a menu in three bars menu, and then you can go to settings. Here in the web app, you will need just to click on account and then click on settings. And basically, you will have here uh, the security, etc. And this is the privacy. But if you have uh, eligible account, you will find a deactivate or close account here option. You will click on it and then you will need just to confirm by adding your password or by entering your password so as a measure of security, and then you will be able to deactivate and close your account. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.